Today, we are visiting Nikko's magnificent yet lesser-known Kanmangafuchi Abyss. Formed 7,000 years ago by the eruption of Mount Natai, this narrow river gorge offers visitors views of the crystal-clear Daya River and is home to the historical Kanman Path and Junji Temple. As we follow the Kanman Path paralleling the Daya River, we reach the gate of Junji Temple. Junji Temple was founded in 1654 by Kokkei, a Buddhist monk of high rank and former disciple of Master Tenkei. We walk along the Kanman Path deeper into the narrowing river gorge. Here we are greeted by a line of small stone figures called Bake Jizo, which means the Jizo ghosts. These statues are said to protect women, children, and travelers.